This is all the snow that we got within. It's been a little while, but there's a lot of snow out here. I'd say maybe about 2 to 3 inches right now. So yeah, I didn't see like any grass, so hopefully we get more and everything. And so yeah, this is where they are. That whole thing is covered with snow, so the four-wheeler over there is covered. Everything is just covered with snow. I don't see nothing, so yeah. And it's still snowing, so oops. Coming down hard. Hopefully power doesn't go out or anything, or nothing bad happens, just the storm. So yeah. Okay.